Hey guys, I'm working on making a wooden sign here, and it'll be stained black. My layers of wood here, they're 1/4 inch, and I got these screws because I wanted something that I could use to kind of screw my edge pieces down, kind of a trim border around my sign. And I wanted something that, a good wood screw, color black, that I could use to screw my wood pieces down and not worry about them coming out on the other side. So I guess I'll go ahead and show you just a quick demonstration so you can see how they work and the overall quality of them. Okay, so here we are now, getting up close. So I'm gonna just dump a couple of these out. So I know I saw in the reviews some people said they had, they noticed some quality issues, but I kind of just looking through them, I don't see anything that stands out as being a problem or anything. I mean, the size, it looks consistent with what they're supposed to be. I mean, good Phillips head. I'll have these 2 layers on top of my sign. So I have three pieces of 1/4 inch wood, and I want to make sure that I don't screw through the back side of the sign. This is a really soft wood, so if you use these screws, most likely it's just going to strip a hole and not be able to suck these down tight. So I just want to put just a little countersink hole in my top layer, so that way those flathead bits can kind of sink down in there without putting too much pressure on the wood itself, so you don't rip it apart. Put my Phillips bit in, make sure I turn my drill power way down, and make sure I'm still lined up. They look pretty good. So go ahead and run this down nice and easy. You can see that came out just about perfect for me, so I won't make you watch, but I'll go ahead and probably, maybe I'll put a little bit of glue under here and maybe a couple more screws, and I feel pretty good about these screws. So overall, I think definitely a good buy, and they're definitely good for my project. I'm happy with them.